Hey everyone.
Hi.
So I was looking through my stuff and it's hot, it's summer, and I was wondering should I go if I should do the orange palette or the yellow. So I decided to go with the yellow. And one of the last things I got, I didn't even show because it was just like this. And so I think lashes. This one's called Trust Fund Baby. It's a gold. And that's the one I want to use because I'm going to put the gold on the lid. I'm going to use this as the base color. Wow. So I'm going to go into the gold. And I'm going to use yellow as the transition color. Wet n Wild does not have luck with their yellows. It's very like patchy. It doesn't look as pretty as it does in the pot. And I got the gold. I never swatched that one either. So this I'm going to use on as a highlighter. It's called Golden Hour. So I just grabbed the first brown I can find, walking on the red carpet, and I'm gonna just dip it into this. You know what? Let me try the lighter brown. I'm gonna dip it into that and just put that in the crease. Just blend it out with that yellow. I didn't put any more on there. It's not making enough of a difference. I think I will dip it in the darker, just a touch. Yeah, that's better. It's like a black brown. Go over it with the yellow. Okay. Alright, I know these glitters are going to be crap, so I'm just going to try and put the lighter yellow glitter towards the inner side and then the darker one on the outer side. I honestly don't expect much from these. I expect that within an hour my my eyes are going to be creasing and funky. I'm just going to put black mascara liner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. So I did put the Golden Hour on my cheeks, and I used the Glamping lip gloss on my lips. And that's what I did.